Hello, and welcome to an Introduction to Virtualized Community Edition. In this video, we'll go over the steps for finding, downloading, and installing Virtualized CE. We'll begin our journey on the Parasoft.com webpage. From here, navigate to Products and click on Parasoft Virtualize. Here we will find the link for Get the Free Community Edition, which will navigate us to the registration page. On this page, we'll enter in our first name, last name, company email, and country. Once that's been entered, click on the checkbox and then click on Get Virtualized CE. This will provide a confirmation that you are now registered and will be followed up with two emails, a welcome email and product download links. The welcome email contains frequently asked questions and also provides links to how-to videos for Virtualized CE. The second email provides links to download Parasoft Virtualized Community Edition. Simply click on the appropriate link for your operating system and the download will begin. For Mac and Linux machines, you will run the provided shell scripts. I'm using Windows, so I have an executable file. Simply run it. Verify permissions. Select your language. Accept the licensing agreement. Verify the installation location. Accept the default components to install. Choose whether you would like a Start menu and desktop icon. Agree to the installation of the certificate authority. This will start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, we can begin opening and activating Virtualized Community Edition. Select the default workspace. We can change this if necessary. Once Virtualize is finished loading, we can set Virtualized Community Edition license. Click on the blue link to edit license preferences. Start by disabling SOATest. Click on the Virtualize tab and disable it as well. Then navigate down to the community license, enter the email you used to register, agree to the conditions above, and apply. You have now activated Virtualized Community Edition. Simply click OK, OK again, and begin virtualizing services. Thank you for watching, and happy testing.